Hi everyone, I just wanted to go live very quickly because I just wanted to share this in the moment. I've just received an email. Let me just explain, I'll give you some context around it. Yesterday, I opted into my sales funnel, which I recommended everyone do. So subscribe to your own opt-in box and then put yourself through that funnel so that you know that everything is working and everything is coming out at the right time. So I did that yesterday, and I did that with my email address, support@leadyourlifestyle.com. Now, what shocked me is what came back, and that was, please confirm your subscription. So in my inbox, so I didn't receive the welcome email. I didn't receive the first video. I actually received an email that was generated through Aweber to say, can you please confirm your email address? So I went ahead and did that, but that is considered a double opt-in. As a result of that, what I did was I've got a document in my members area, if you go and have a look, because this happened last year as well, and I assumed that all of the double opt-ins had been turned off. You actually have to contact Aweber. Even though your buttons say off, they're still sending out a double opt-in. So there's something going on behind the scenes, which I'm not really sure about. So I sent that message to them. You can just copy and paste what's in that document and then just send it to them. And I did that last year, and I got a response back from Aweber to say all has been turned off. So now I find out, and it applies to your lists, so every list that you have. So they had turned it off for every list, and I'd created no new lists since then. So I don't know what's happened between then and now. So I was a bit surprised. So as a result, I actually sent the same sort of email again to Aweber, and a response came back yesterday to say that we have turned them all off. So let me get this email up, and I'm just going to read some of this out to you because I think it's really important to do this. So anyway, it says here, let me scroll down, sorry to keep you waiting. I actually sent them a screenshot of what I was getting back. It says, thank you for contacting our customer solutions team. So you just go into Aweber and you just raise a support ticket. It says, I have disabled confirmation on those lists for you. Please let me know if there is anything else I can help you with. So I unsubscribed myself. So I received that email at about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. By about 6 in the afternoon, I unsubscribed myself from my list, and then I subscribed again just to test it and make sure that it was all working okay. And it wasn't. So again, I got another, please confirm your email. So I sent the email to them, and it says, we can certainly look into this for you. Could I have you verify the email address that you submitted to test? So then I responded this morning. I told them it was support@leadyourlifestyle.com. And then he has responded this afternoon to say this. It's very important. The reason that confirmation generated was because that address, support@leadyourlifestyle.com, is a role-based email. Any role-based email address like support@, help@, or admin@ will always generate a confirmation message. The reason being is that a role-based email generates the highest amount of complaints, owing to the fact that they're monitored by multiple people and can be scrapped from websites. Confirmation will always generate for such addresses, and that would be the same for any account in Aweber. Standard email addresses would be added without confirmation. That's my share, and I think that's a really important thing to know and understand, is that if you subscribe to your own email list and you put in words like support@, admin@, you're going to get, please confirm your email address. So very important to know. So that's my share today, everyone. Over and out here, and I'll check in tomorrow. Bye, everyone.